It all began during a calm walk along a quiet valley stream. The sound of flowing water, birds in the distance, and then something caught my eye. Among the wet stones and pebbles, a glimmer. A shimmer so sharp it looked unreal. I bent down and picked it up. A raw, rugged stone, its surface catching the light like shattered glass. Not polished, not shaped, but glowing from within. Was it just quartz? Or could this be a raw diamond? Its edges were sharp but natural. The weight was surprisingly light for its size. It had the transparency of glass, but with a deep internal sparkle. I turned it slowly in my hand. Rainbows danced across the surface. It didn't just reflect light, it bent it. Back home, I cleaned it gently. No scratches, no fog. It passed the fingernail scratch test. Then I tried something simple, cutting glass with it. And yes, it sliced through like butter. Now I was truly curious. Could I have just discovered a natural raw diamond? But the truth is, many stones look like diamonds. Raw quartz, zircon, topaz, even volcanic glass. The only way to be sure is through testing. I used a diamond tester. The tip lit up. Still, I remain cautious. True verification requires lab equipment. Refractive index, thermal conductivity, hardness scale. But something deeper happened that day. Holding that raw gemstone, I felt something ancient, something powerful, a reminder that nature hides its treasures in silence. You don't always need to dig deep underground. Sometimes, the rarest finds are sitting quietly beside a stream, waiting for someone to notice. So, was it a diamond? I still don't know for sure. But what I do know, the feeling of discovery, the mystery in that crystal, and the excitement in not knowing, that was worth more than any. Pay attention to stones that don't reflect light like quartz. Don't show rainbow colors. Feel heavier than they look. Step 3, simple tests to identify a real diamond. Once you've found a suspicious stone, you can try the following tests at home. The fog test. Breathe on the stone like you're fogging a mirror. If the fog disappears instantly, it could be real. The water test. Drop it in a glass of water. A real diamond will sink quickly due to its density. Scratch test. Try scratching a piece of glass with it. If it scratches the glass and remains undamaged, it may be diamond. Transparency test. Place it over newspaper or a small dot on paper. If you can read through it, it's not diamond. Real diamonds distort light. Step 4. Look for inclusions and natural imperfections. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Real diamonds often have internal flaws called inclusions. If the stone looks perfect or too clear, it might be glass or cubic zirconia. Step 5. Get a diamond tester. For a more accurate test, buy a portable diamond tester online. These devices check thermal conductivity and give a reliable reading within seconds.